Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be doing a problem solving demo. The problem, I will be getting a toy problem, fantasy problem, story based problem from ChatGPT, and we have to solve it. I told it to give me Python problem solving question mid intermediate story based, so it should be pretty descriptive. Story problem, reason made and blah blah blah. Story based format to keep it fun and challenging. Sure. In the ancient underground library of Selenora, there is a long forgotten machine called the Whispering Archive. This machine stores knowledge in strange and encrypted scrolls, each scroll being a sequence of words. Each scroll follows a cyclical pattern of words. However, some scrolls have corruptions, one of two words are out of place, and break the cycle. Your task is to help the library's new AI scribe detect how many scrolls are valid, perfectly cyclical, and how many are corrupted. The rules for a scroll to be valid. A scroll is valid if you can rotate its words in a circular way that such it becomes the same as another rotation. So I'm just gonna write a circular rotation function and just rotate for n plus 1 until n plus n rotations, so we can get that. Will be a very inefficient. Wait, actually no, it should be O of n, but I don't know, it could be O of n to the power of 2, which is bad and slow. Okay, example scrolls, we can see the 10 square of Python function. Let's just get into a terminal. Okay, never mind, we're not gonna use the terminal. We'll just use a terminal here. CLS clean. Now a Python. Wait, it's loading. Okay, let's just get all the data. Scrolls. Oopsie. Get all the data. Enter. Now we have all the scrolls here, and there are labels, but that shouldn't be a problem because the code can't read those comments. First, let's make the function. No, check this from private. How should we do this? Okay. Ding. Circular for every length. Be what? Notation is one. Let's rotate and we'll stick. We'll send A and here's text. Text and so the booleans return sum of text because 0 is 1 is correct. So we're just gonna do this. Scrolls me those. Okay, push down. Put in. Let's see to it. No, okay, so that. So 1 2. So into Okay, we're just gonna actually problem solve right now. It shouldn't be. -1. Oh yeah, there's a full rotation, I forgot. Oh god. This minus one as it has a full rotation, and they don't want that. Now it should work. And 0, 2. Okay, we're getting the hang of it. Yeah, 3, it means 2. I'm just gonna for scroll in scrolls to print check scroll true false that doesn't true false what? Okay, wait, edge case. I hate edge cases. If one of a equals to 1 turn true. Okay, wait. And we got it right. First time. No errors. Definitely don't need to use Google. So let me just walk you through this implementation. Where's the scrolls? Okay. We have these scrolls and we have to find which ones are cyclical, so you can rotate them and they will end up in the same configuration without doing a full rotation. And we make a check scroll function that rotates through all rotations. It doesn't do a full rotation. And we had to implement the rotate circular, which I definitely implemented myself. It's just nothing. And then we check if any of the rotations have the same config as the original list or iterable. And okay, so that just sums it up. And let's give him the solution. Let's see what AI thinks of it. Okay, never mind. It's too complicated. I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna just read it. It works perfectly, absolutely perfectly, and you're wrong. Okay, maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.